Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use index function in Excel. Index function is used to locate values at some rows and columns. For example, we have taken this data and we want to locate the value in third row and first column. So we will use index number to locate this value. So first of all, we will write index function, that is starting from equal and index and press tab, and here you can see array. Array means the data you want to show. I am selecting this data and then insert column, and then you have to select row number. I have mentioned row number here, and then again use comma and then column number, select column number and enter. Here you can see it has shown the name of Babar, as Babar is situating in first column, and you can see 1, 2, 3, third row. Please keep in mind that the row number and column number is relative. It is not related to the whole worksheet, but it is related to the data you have selected. So if I will change here the column number, say I am changing it to column number 2 and enter, you can see it has changed to 30. That is column number 2 and row number 3. And if I again change the row number 5, you can see it has changed to 60. The column number 2 and row number 5. And column number 1, if it is changed, and then again you can see it has shown the name Imran. So this is how you can use index function in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.